This is the front cover to my FrozenRight branded vacuum pump. I wanted to show you the splash guard that is on the inside, which is different than the splash guard in the JB brand vacuum pumps from the older freeze dryers from FrozenRight. But this one, splash guard, is flat metal and it's kind of thin, so it bends. You just take it and you might have to kind of press it so that it will bow out. You can take it out a little bit easier, and you can see the grooves here that create a channel on both sides. On the inside there, what you're going to do is, with the groove in the splash guard side down, which is right here, you take it and you might have to bow the piece of metal a little bit, even put it in at an angle so you get down to where the channel begins, and start it into the channel on both sides, and then slide it down so that it fits snugly in between and is not on the outside of these ridges that you see there. So if you're yanking on it, it won't come out. You just might need to put a little pressure, bend it a little bit, and see. Now you get down in there and see those two channels, or I say two channels, the two ridges with the channel in between. That's what you're striving for, to get this to fit and get working one side, and then go back and make sure that you're on the inside of the other one and slide it all the way down. And the groove in the splash guard fits over this bump right there. Okay, that's all you have to do. Make sure that it's all the way down. If you have it fitted in there correctly, it should not make that excess noise that some of them do if this is not installed correctly. Because even coming straight from the FrozenRight warehouse, it may not be in right. It might be, say, off on one side and in on the other, or just half and half. But anyway, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.